No.
Dan is a brave person.
Yeah,
No.
better run.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna show. He was asking about the queen cage, so we're gonna show him the queen cage, and we're gonna do it. These bees, it worked out really great. The bees we put in first are already all in the hive, and it's only been an hour, less. The second set, 90% of the bees shook out of the box because we didn't spray the box. The bees are pretty good, pretty docile right now. These are Saskatraz bees, and so what we're gonna do is get them down, get out the can of sugar water, some of the bees out of the way. Okay. Put that right there. Then I'll get the queen out for you, Uncle Dan.
Yeah, that's okay. I don't need to see her.
Oh, yeah, you do. You need to see her. Okay, here she is. There she is.
Inside there. Oh my God.
She's bigger, right? See how
Yeah.
much bigger she is?
Yeah.
And
Well,
so,
there's some big bees coming out of there.
yeah. So then what we do with her is we need to put the candy plug in, which my production assistant Oscar has immediately ready. I pull out this cork as soon as he's got the candy plug ready because we don't want her escaping. Yeah, that would be a bad news. That would thwart our entire project. You ready, Oscar?
Yep.
Okay, that's out. Candy plug is in.
Now those other bees will work their way through.
Yeah, and then what I do is, see, here she is.
Yeah.
This is the candy plug, and I give them a little start. You don't have to, but I like to. And
Yeah,
that
that's
kind of
good.
lets them know where to get going at it, right?
Good.
And then come on over here, Uncle Dan. And then what we do is we twist this, Peter. I twist this a little bit like that, so she hangs this way, so there's no chance of her to getting,
And against
stuck into the screen.
Yeah.
And the hardest part of this whole operation has been getting this back in a hole through the metal because I'm not that strong.
So they know she's in there. She starts putting out what do they call them?
Pheromone.
Pheromone.
Hormone, yeah. It's a hormone for communication.
And they know she's there.
And I know she's there, and there she is. Okay? She'll be right there. And then we're going to shake them. And this is probably where you want to leave because we're going to shake them right into here.
Well, I'll get back.
Okay? What we like to do, be ready, is we spray these frames with a little sugar so that they'll want to crawl all over them and come see the queen. And they're already looking for her over there. So we'll leave this here. I'll put it right here, I think. Well, put it down on the ground. Okay. And then all we do is get the hive tool out and open up the crate. These bees are putting out a lot of heat. I can feel it. I release the snaps on the crate, take it over to here. And then Oscar's so good at filming. And then we open it up really wide, get that right there, get that out the top. I should probably shake it or do something different, but I like doing that. That out of the way. And take this and go. That's not working right. I'm going to have to get a screwdriver and fix that. 'Cause that's not staying open, Oscar. I don't want, that's a problem. So if we'll do that, we will then get these put in. We spray them a little bit. Did you get a picture of all the bees in there?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Showing how you
A lot of bees. Probably hear them with the mic too. We're very gentle here. We're trying not to trying not to capture any. More sugar on there. These guys are more anxious about leaving than the other ones have been. Don't know why. Probably should just spray him. Here, I'll do that. Get him out of the way a little bit. Get these guys out. Oh, they're heading right over to the feeding tray. They know where to find dinner already. It's a little tight today. Everything. It's not good. Feeding tray was kind of over there a little bit. That's probably just, I could trim that down a little bit, but I'll leave it like that. It'll be fine. Okay, I need to get a pin or something. We'll fix that. Okay, that's it. We'll put the lid on, guys, and this one will be a wrap. Thanks again to Oscar for his help, and I might just take one of these out. A little too tight. We'll leave that like that, okay? Got one casualty there, sorry about that. Don't want these guys to get stuck in here. Okay, well, we'll get the top on and that'll be that. I think the problem is the entrance isn't staying open, and that's my problem. I need to do something to fix the entrance. Okay, thanks, Oscar. You turn it off. I'll